Hey guys, so right now I'm gonna show you a very simple drop 2 move that you can actually use. So the move is very simple. So how would you actually use it? Alright, let's say we're doing a song, for example, Lord I lift your name on high. Lord I lift your name on high. Lord, I love to sing your praises. Alright, so that's it. Alright, so that's basically the drop 2. As we know, a drop 2 is C. Let's say we have C. We're taking the second note from the top, 1, 2, and we're putting it in our left hand. That's the essence of a drop 2. So the chord that we actually played is this, which is a D minor, but we're taking the F down here. So that's how we form the drop 2s for each of the chords. But I'm just going to give you the chords that I use so you can instantly just start to use it. So this is the first one. Second one is. The third one is. Then we have these dissonant notes. So we have this. You can slide from the C, from the E, C to the F, D. So the A is hit when we're on the E, C. Right? So we have. You could do the same thing for the second chord, which is a D and B with the G, and going right up to the A, to the E and C. Then we have so the B and the G and the E, right up to the C and A. Then we ended up on this, right? Dissonant notes, and we have this, the G and D. Lord, I lift your name on high. So you see how smooth that is. So guys, you can give that a shot, right?